What's up, fam? Welcome again to Orkisa Garage. Today my project is 1993, I think 94, or it says on the paint slip 93 Ford Ranger B6 3.0. This one right here, I'm going to change water pump, thermostat housing, no, thermostat housing, tensioner belt, radiator. So I'm trying to do part 1 for removal, and then part 2 for the install, and also to bleed the system. All right, let me go set up first and let me show you how to work it on. All right, so first, safety first, take off the terminal or the negative one. Okay, next, take off the intake duct. I think this is flat screw or 8mm. Just take this one. Yeah, just get this one first. Okay. I got the flat screw. Couple of, I don't know why they put this one. Take it. Oh, okay. Just take it off. I'm gonna take this. I don't know why they zip tie. Okay, so take up the intake duct, and then I'm going to try to take up the clutch fan right here. Alright, so for the clutch fan, I got this clutch fan wrench. Is the special tool. It's 36 on this one. So I think how to break it in is counterclockwise. Okay, so I have to tap with the hammer first. So let me see if I can set up my camera so you guys can see it. To put some WD. Okay, so now I loosen the cooling fan. I know it's loose. Okay, so now it's loose. Take this shroud right here, cooling shroud. There's 1, 2, 8mm. I think there's 2 8mm. Oh. Okay, got that. Got another one right here. Okay. Okay, so I get the cooling fan too. So once you take off the clutch fan or clutch cooling fan, it's easy to work over here. My next step is to drain the radiator. We do, this is the clutch fan. I'm not gonna take that off later. I'll do that later on. You can reuse the fan, or you can upgrade. So if you want less smaller fins, you can get it, but you have more fins. That meaning you can cool more. I'm gonna check Summit Racing or Oriell'y or Autozone if they have those aftermarket style cooling fan. So next, drain the coolant. I have to drain my coolant because this coolant the radiator are clogged. Okay, open up my cup. So you got my cooling fan down there. Okay, this is old, gotta throw it. Okay, next take the upper radiator hose. So one, I got the aftermarket one, it's all 8. Okay, with the flat screw, loosen it first. Same thing over here. I have the brand new hose too, so I'm gonna change that. Okay, it's loose. Okay, let's see if I have more coolant here. So now I got the upper radiator hose. Okay, and then if you want, just I'm going to cover my intake manifold. I got my upper right here, and I'm going to cover my intake manifold. Now this is the thermostat housing. I'm not gonna put it yet, take it off, but I'm going to, next step is to take off my lower radiator hose. Okay, trying to take the hose. So by the way, it's too much. The radiator I think is clogged. So yeah. Okay, let me try to close it. Get all the fluids. Okay, I take off the lower radiator hose. Next step, if you have the reservoir right here, take it off. It's coming from that side. So the bolts is on this side, 1 and 2 right here. They are 12mm. Let me set up my camera so you guys can see it. Okay, it's 12mm. I hope you guys can see it because of the glare. Okay, got one. Oh, it's different. Maybe that's 10. I have to get the size. Yeah, that one is 10. Okay. To get it, they put the different size of the bolts. Now I can take off the radiator, and you see how bad they looks. All of the fins right here. Take off, close the petcock, and I'm ready to take the radiator. easy peasy. Right, I have to disconnect my wiring. No, not sorry, belt, and here's are the routing for that. So this one, they take off the AC, so just like this. So without the, with AC, we're gonna go over here. Okay, so I think that is either 14. This is 15. Let me okay, take it off. So now everything's off right here. I'm gonna take it. Okay, so once you take everything, it's good to inspect all your pulleys. So this one is make that noise. It's not supposed to do that. Goes to the other one. All right, so and okay, that one is off. So for this is a T50 Torx. Okay, let me just put that. Let me break it in first. Come on. Okay. Okay, got that. Okay. I take off everything. Got this. I got this piece, the tensioner. Don't lose this bolt. Okay. That. And I think I have to take this bracket right here. So I think this is 14. And also I cannot take off the bolts, and I think I have to take this one, or I have to check the other parts I get if it comes with a bolt. Okay, so for the water pump pulley, it's 13 millimeter. Okay. Mix that, and I think this bolt right here for the bracket, I think it's 14, so I have to get my 14. Oh, sorry. So for the pulley, it's 13 millimeter. It's not 12. Sorry, it's 13. Also from this, it's 13 too. From the bracket. Okay. See. So far, I take out one, and then there's another one hiding. Here you go. Sure, got it like that one right there. And I'm looking for, there's another one somewhere. Here there are three, but let me take up this one. It's also 13. Okay. That. Okay. So once I take up that, everything went off, the whole bracket. So the other one from here is longer, and then the other one is shorter. Okay, so I'm not gonna lose that. Don't lose that. So since it's my first time, now here's my water pump. I'm just gonna look for some ways to get this to that side. Just it's a bracket for the water pump and AC. I just put that sway that on this side, and then I think I can work on my water pump now. So since it's my first time doing this, I'm gonna take up my new water pump and then slowly taking off all the bolts and then put it in to the new water pump, so I know what's the procedure, because all of this bolts are different sizes. I think 8 or 10, either 14 or 13, and then on the bottom one, and then this one right here too. Okay, I have more time to get my lower radiator hose. So since this is my first time, I wanna do it slowly so I don't mess up more. Okay. Okay. Like that, and you see how dirty they are, all the rusted. Okay. Put that underneath. Put it there for now, and take off my, this is the heater hose, take it off. So trying to get the heater hose. Okay, okay, so now I'm off with the heater hose. Right here it's all dirty. I might get the 2 heater hose later, not sure. I'll check Autozone, see how all rusty. So yeah, let's work on it, bring my new water pump. Okay, the first one I'm gonna take up is the 8. Okay, take it off, put it here, and then these are 13. Let's see, get it. Okay, can I get through? And I don't want to mess up the treads. Okay. And I'll double check if this one has a specific you know, orientation. Yes. Okay. First one. Okay, I know they're the long one. Next. Okay. another long one. Okay, and then got 8. This one got 8 also. Right here. And then okay, this one right here. As you can see it on my water pump. Then there's one right here. Oop. Just to make sure. Got that right there. One. And then 8. What else I'm missing? Here. 8. Bottom. One more. Okay, and all the way to the bottom at the pulley. I got one more. I'm missing one. That's weird. That is weird because let me show you what's the difference. Alright guys, so the difference, I make a mistake. This is for 1994 Ford Ranger 3.0. This part right here is 1993. So there's the big difference. I thought they're all the same. So the first difference, you see the heater hose outlet is bigger one. From here, a skinnier one. Also the difference is here. You have extra bolt right here. This one doesn't have. So if you have 94, 95, 96, and if you have 93 and lower, there are big difference on the water pump. I think also there's difference on the clutch fan. Yeah, the clutch fan. So I bought the wrong one. Hopefully, I know it's a hassle if you're gonna get Rock Auto. If you get the wrong one, you're gonna have a hard time to return it. So what I'm gonna do, I might sell this one online. Hopefully someone's looking for it for 94. This one is 93. So I'm gonna go to Oriell'y or Autozone to get if they have the cheaper one on the water pump. So if you guys looking for 1994, I have the assembly, water pump, and clutch fan. All right. So take up that engine coolant temp sensor. Just pull it, and then I'm going to pull the another hose down here. Then try the axis here. I'm gonna take the coolant housing. No, sorry, thermostat housing. It's both of them are 10. Try to take it off. So basically it's right here, two of them. Okay. Huh, I didn't realize it's really long. Okay, come on. Okay, I got that. And here's our thermostat. Ooh, see that? It's all freaking, it's all messed down there. Have all this rust, and then gonna clean this one, clean it, and then get with the part 2, put everything back, order the right water pump because I get the wrong water pump. So what I'm gonna do, clean everything first, put something here so just in case I don't you know, accidentally drop something. Okay, then work on it, and I'll see you guys again for the part 2 for the install. So basically it's all easy once you know what you're doing. I think the 93 and 94 are basically the different water pump, so I'm surprised. I thought they're all the same. And also the clutch fan, there are difference too. I'll show you to you. So the difference basically, so the clutch fan for 94, because I get it from the whole unit, it's the kit. So this one right here are different style compared from the 93. So 93 has the big Allen style right here, so you can put your wrench. Compare from here, see, this one will fit to the original pump, the threads, but the style, and this is skinny, this is the big ones. Okay, so this one's not gonna pop out to that. All right, so yeah, back to the, and also the idler pulley, also there's difference. This one, there's like wider flat surface, and then there's a little bit less smaller one on the idler pulley. So I'm not sure which one I get. I did not buy this one, I only get this one, the tensioner pulley. So to take off the bracket, there's two, this one, the big ones, the long bolts, and then the shorter one. The shorter one are high, the shorter one hide into the this bracket right here on the other side, but the longer one you'll see it coming through. All right, so that's it for today. I'm gonna clean everything, and then I'll see you guys again for the part 2 for the install. And also this one, the color of the coolant are green, so I'm just trying to get the, I'm not sure if it's Dex Cool or something, but I'll get the green coolant. Okay.